Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 1. Find the rule which gives the number of majesticks required to make the following majestic pattern. Use a variable to write the rule. We are trying to write this variable, right? Suppose in first case what is given a pattern of letter T as T. Here you see there are two majesticks. That means in 1T, in 1T there are two majesticks. Therefore, in 2T there are 2 into 2, that is 4 majesticks. In 3T there are 3 into 2 majesticks. In this way, if I write in NTs, NT there are 2 into n majestic. This is the formula for this. That means to form NTs there will be 2n, required majestic is 2n, right? Now in B, question number B is question number B. In 1Z there are 3 majesticks. 3 majesticks. There are 3 majesticks. Therefore, in 2Z, in 2Z, 2Z, there are 3 into 2, it is 6 majesticks. In 3Z, in 3Z, there are 3 into 3 majesticks. In NZ, there are 3n majesticks. Therefore, in case of B, there are 3n majesticks, where 3 is the constant and n is the variable. Now, we will solve question number C. Let us solve question number C. Now, question number C is question number C. What is question number C? A pattern of letter U as U, right? In question number C is in 1U there are 3 majesticks. there are 3 matchsticks. In 2U there are 3 into 2 matchsticks. In 3U there are 3 into 3 matchsticks, right? In XU there are 3x matchsticks, right? This is question number C. Now question number D is question number D. Now question number D is in question number D, a pattern of letter V as V, right? In question number D. Now you see this one, question number D. In 1V, there are 2 matchsticks. In 1V there are 2 matchsticks. Therefore, in 2V there are 2 into 2 matchsticks. That's right. In 3V, there are 2 into 3 matchsticks. And in AMV, there are 2 M matchsticks, right? In this way you can find all the patterns, right? Now question number E. Question number E is question number E. A pattern of letter as E. A pattern of letter as E. In case of E, a pattern of letter as E. In 1E, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 1E there are 5 matchsticks. 5 matchsticks. There are 5 matchsticks. In 2E, there are 5 into 2 matchsticks. In 3E, there are 5 into 3 matchsticks. Therefore, in NE, there are 5 N matchsticks. There are 5 N matchsticks. Right? Now question number F and G. Right? In question number F, you see question number F. In question number F, a pattern of letter S as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. In 1S, there are 5 match sticks. 5 match sticks. In TUIS, there are 5 into 2 match sticks. In 3S, there are 5 into 3 match sticks. In MS, there are 5M match sticks, where M is the variable and 5 is the constant. Right? Now question number G. Question number G is number G is a pattern of letter A as this, right? In question number G, how many match sticks there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 1A, there are 6 match sticks. In 1A, there are 6 match sticks. In 2A, there are 6 into 2 match sticks. In 3A, there are 6 into 3 match sticks. In MA, there are 6 M match sticks, where M is the variable and variable is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. and 6 is the constant. This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.